New to NFL Fantasy Football. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to use the NFL Fantasy app. So firstly, download this app and create your account. Once you do that, on the home screen, tap Join League if you have an invite code from a friend, or Create League if you want to start your own and invite others. When a league draft begins, use the app's draft room to pick your players. Keep an eye on positions you still need and use the player ranking for guidance. Each week, tap My Team, then drag and drop players into your starting lineup. Make sure to swap up injured or bye-week players before games start. Use the Players tab to add free agents or trade with other managers. The Matchup tab lets you see who you are playing each week and track live scores. Stay updated with the news section for injury reports and use projected points to help make better lineup decisions. And that's how to use the NFL Fantasy app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.